I'm Lucy Jennings from the Creativity Patch. Come along with me and let's have some fun. I'm going to show you how to warp the Annie Loom. This is the front side of the loom and this is the back side with the logo on it. I'm going to be using 8/4 cotton carpet warp. When you're warping, you don't want to have the spool rolling all over the place. So I like to lay it down on the ground so that the thread is coming straight up off the top as I warp. So I'm going to put it down on the ground right now. I'm going to start warping from the left to the right. I'm not sure if it's my favorite because I'm left-handed or because I learned it that way, because we read from the left to the right. It doesn't really matter which side you start on the side that's the most comfortable for you. When you start, you want to make sure there's going to be enough warp thread when you finish to tie in the center of the loom, because you'll start on this end and you'll end winding on this side so that you're going to meet them up in the middle and tie them. So I like to leave a little bit extra just to make sure it's going to really be enough. I'm going to lay my thumb down to hold the warp thread in place, and I'm going to pull it tightly so it's nice and taut and put it through the first notch on the top. Then I'm going to bring it down and put it through the same first notch on the bottom. The thing you want to be careful of is that you don't skip any notches. Keep that tension nice and even. And to me, to make it even is to make it tight. You want it to be as tight as possible because when you're weaving on this little loom, most projects are meant to be woven as a tapestry, and for tapestry, you want the warp nice and tight. Now that I'm finished winding, it's time to tie the two ends together. Now, if you have any helpers around, this is a perfect time to get somebody to put their finger right on that knot while you tie it. I don't, so I'll just do it myself, said the little red hen. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!